Hey, this will be a video chart on EMLL. Did an annotated one on this one a few days ago, right when it actually had broken out, and it was kind of one of these questions where was it a false breakout or was it going to move higher? And it ended up being, a legitimate breakout. So what I had originally drawn on the annotated chart was we had this trend line here, and then we had, a formation down here, which was basically the support level at 0003. You can just see a bunch of lows down here. This was a resistance level, and this formed the upper portion of the pattern. And I believe when I did the video, it was on this day, so the question I posed was, nice volume here. The price was able to close above this trend line, but is it going to be able to maintain it? And, is it going to go any further, or is this one just going to fall right back into the pattern? And obviously, as the next few days went by, you had a consolidation here, but you can see the close remained outside of this resistance level, so it remained a breakout. And then you had the gap up, and it did pull back, and that's kind of where we are now. It's been holding its ground in terms of maintaining itself above this resistance line, and as long as that remains the case, then the chart has a chance. So that's right where I'm going to kick off. This was a resistance level, but now this is actually a level of support, so I will change that to green. And from where it is right now, basically you could call it the 0006 level. You can see that this line matches pretty much up right here. But really I'm more concerned with another level, and that level is going to be up here at the 0007. Now why this? Well, if we look through the history of the chart, we can see that this level has quite a bit of history in terms of acting as resistance. So if we look back here, you can see it acted as resistance about 4 times, did it again here, did it again here, another couple times, and then even a couple times here after the trend line break did happen. So I would preferably like to see it stay above the 0007 mark. I will leave this line skinny because at the end of the day, it's not an absolute must-hold level. It is just a preferable one. But if the price can remain above 0007 like it has, that's going to make the chart, very healthy and very strong looking. But at the same time, the key thing needs to be it just needs to remain above its breakout trend line, which was right here. Now, in terms of future battlegrounds and resistance areas, there seems to be quite a big one up here where the price has bounced off the past couple of days. I don't see, it doesn't really correspond with anything over here. So it seems to be kind of a new level that just popped up, but this level is at 0.0011. So that is our first level of resistance, and then the next one's going to be basically just up here, based at the previous high, which is up at 0.0014. I'll just mention it, I won't map it out. One step at a time. First, the price needs to get above this resistance right here, and if the price can get some closes up here, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart again. But that is currently where things stand. Now, with any more pullback days like today or sideways days, the more volume drops off, the better. We don't want to see any big massive volume bars on down days. Now, if the price does decide to explode back upwards, then that's where you want to see volume get as big as possible. But where the chart stands now, and if it goes sideways or down, you definitely want to see volume drop off. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on the alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was EMLL. Thanks for listening.